Sometimes you need to validate a bunch of addresses. If you Google how-tos, you'll see there are a plethora of options for high-quality address validation APIs. However, you don't need to be a coder or know how to set up an API to start validating your list of addresses. If you have a large file like a CSV full of addresses that you need to validate, you can do that as quick as a whip. Go to smarty.com or click the link in the description. Then at the top, hover over Resources and under Demos, select Bulk Address Validation. Select whether you're validating US addresses, international addresses, or if you're looking to match zip codes to US cities and states. In this example, we'll stick with US addresses. For step 2, paste in your CSV project. Just make sure it has a header row. It is possible to type it in manually, but ain't nobody got time for that. Feel free to download the example file if you're curious about the best formatting to use. The free tool will allow you to do 10 address lookups at a time. Doing more than 10? Just stay tuned. Once your addresses are squared away, select Process My List. The bottom box will populate with your new validated address fields. Then all you've got to do is copy and paste that bad Larry into your spreadsheet. It's important to note that if your addresses were all in one column with the components not broken out, you'll need to split the new data with a comma set as the delimiter. You can do that in your spreadsheet by clicking Data, Text to Columns, and then setting comma as the delimiter. To process more than 10 addresses at a time, you'll need a free Smarty account. When you first sign up for a free account, you get 1,000 free lookups for free. After those run out, you'll freely get 250 free lookups every month for free. And guess what? It's free. Once you've created an account and log in, you'll be brought to your account dashboard. Select the Subscriptions tab and make sure you have either a US address verification or geocoding license active. If you're doing international addresses, you'll need to activate International Address Verification or International Geocoding. If the status is current, you'll also want to check usage details to make sure you have enough lookups to handle your list. As you can see, I have oodles and gobs of lookups. Under the Tools tab, click List Processing. This will take you back to the same page we were on before, but now you're logged in and ready to test your newly found power. Paste your CSV into the window. If you've neglected adding a header row, you're gonna have a bad time. If you happen to have multiple licenses with Smarty, you'll need to paste in the license value for the account that you're using. That can be found in this column in your account. Click Process My List and bippity-boppity-booyah! Your pumpkin list has been magically transformed into a beautiful carriage of validated addresses. Hopefully that answers your questions on how to validate addresses in bulk. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments. All right, peace.